There is a need for multimedia instruction that is sensitive to cognitive overload. Cognitive overload occurs when intended cognitive processing exceeds the brain's available capacity. Depending on the content, displaying animations with text can overload processing demands. Choose graphics that will help students make connections to the learning content. These should correlate and enhance student learning, not distract from the determined learning goal. Extra material can cause students to miss key information because they're trying to process the non-essential information as well. Take this slide for example. The goal is to learn how lightning is formed, but the bottom half of information is unrelated to that concept. When a description is followed by a graphic or vice versa, students may struggle to hold the information presented first in their working memory while also trying to process the information that followed. This screen is another example of cognitive overload. The on-screen text and auditory narration being the same causes incidental processing. Present information both visually and verbally. This avoids one channel from overloading. If the pace is too quick, students may be unable to effectively process the information. Break information into chunks and allow the students to control the speed. Remove all content that does not support the learning goal. While it may seem more interesting, this requires incidental processing. Narration of on-screen words forces the learner to process the same information twice. On-screen text should only be a summary. Work to avoid busy presentations where the information is hard to follow. Try to consider learner pace with little information with graphics and text that go together.